Going into lock number 7 at La Crescent, Minnesota. It's a windy day on the Mississippi River, but it is the mighty Mississippi, so we carry on. It's windy but beautiful. Have a great day, everybody. Just saying hi from La Crescent, Minnesota. Gates are opening at La Crescent, Walking Dam 7. We will. Thank you very much. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Oh, I don't know if you can see it, but there's like a prism in the sky. It's so beautiful, and there's eagles, and there's sunsets, and there's bridges. Oh, and there's a tear in my eye. It's just beautiful. Headed into La Crosse, Wisconsin. We're gonna stop and fuel up and get some gas. He'll ride his electric bike into town for more gas, and we'll get some groceries and things like that. And then we'll be on the river again. Going under the I-90 alternate bridge here in La Crosse, Wisconsin. A couple other, looks like some houseboats over there against the shoreline. I don't think they move like we do though. I think they've been there a while. They're pretty big. And some fish we go by. Ooh, there's a barge over there. On the mighty Mississippi. Alright, stay tuned everyone. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Check out our other channels too. Thanks. Passing a barge. We're in La Crosse, Wisconsin right now. It's a big old barge on some rough waters. Captain Donovan is handling it like a pro. Ooh, and there's a speedboat coming up behind the barge. There's a lot of action going on out here. Saw a lot of eagles today and seagulls. The colors are changing into golden orange right now. And the clouds are just amazing today. Hi, Mr. Barge. Pretty cool. Put on the propane and he just filled up the gas tank. Go Captain Donovan! We're anchored outside of La Crosse in the little chain of islands here. Got pretty windy out there, so we stopped and kind of pulled off into a little cove area where it's a little misty. I'll do some fishing. Alright, you guys take it easy. Thank you for watching.
There's Debbie fishing away. We just got into a cove. Hopefully the anchors grab and hopefully she catches a fish. Looks like a pretty good spot actually. Hello.
Well, I just drove the dinghy from the boat. I'm going to take a little hike on this island here. We stopped at and do a little hiking. And we'll see what's on the island.